Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Croctober and today I'm sharing one of my favorite cozy go-to recipes, a crock-pot vegetable soup that's perfect for these chilly days. And the best part, it's super easy, budget-friendly, packed with flavor, and approved by toddlers and preschoolers I serve this once a month for my daycare. So let's get right into it. Here is what you'll need for this recipe. You're going to need some celery stalk, spring onions, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, soya sauce, can of tomatoes, whole tomatoes or chopped tomatoes. I am using my frozen whole tomatoes that I'm going to chop. Then you are going to need some frozen vegetables as well as some chicken stock or vegetable stock. I am using my prepared home one, but you can also use store-bought. You are going to start by chopping up all these vegetables. So pretty much the spring onion, the celery, as well as the tomatoes. But if you're using canned tomatoes, don't want to chop, feel free to get some chopped up tomatoes in a can as well. Crock-pot meals, especially soups, are my go-to meals for daycare. I run a home daycare, so these are quick and easy meals that I can get ready first thing in the morning and to have a delicious and nutritious lunch. The current kids that I have in my care love soups, so I take full advantage of creating lots of different soups. And the best part is I prepare this once and I do have it um, for 2 times because I will take whatever's left and I'll freeze it. And then the next time we have vegetable soup on our menu, I just pull it out of the freezer. So cook once, eat twice. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I hope that you are enjoying what you're watching and press that subscribe button and join my YouTube cooking family. Now that the veggies are all prepped, it is time to start adding things into the slow cooker. So I'm going to add all of my chopped up vegetables. And first, it really doesn't matter the order of how you are adding things. You want to mix it up a little bit, and then I am adding my mixed frozen vegetables, and the mix that I'm using has carrots, corn, green beans, as well as green peas. Give that a toss, and now I'm going to add my chicken stock, and then I'm going to follow with the rest of the seasonings. I also forgot to mention that I am adding tomato paste as well. Now all you have to do is set your crock pot to low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours, just until the veggies are nice and tender. When you have about half an hour left, you add your pasta and you can add whatever type of pasta you want. You can make it fun and add alphabet-shaped pasta, or you can do small dettagli pasta. Figoli works well as well, or any a smaller type of pasta would work. And just like that, our crock-pot vegetable soup is ready, perfect for those fall evenings or fall lunches when you just want something warm and comforting. Simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. You really can't go wrong with this one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during Croctober. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more easy recipes, and let me know in the comments what your favorite crockpot meals are. I'd love to try them out. I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!